Next in JavaScript we are going to do relational operators. So here I'm creating one file 11.html. So relational operators are used to show relationship between two operands, and these are greater than sign, less than sign, greater than equals to, less than equals to, and not equals to. These generally gives answer in the form of true and false. So here is our Emmet code, and here within body section I'm just giving message like relational operator. So this thing will be shown in our HTML document on our browser. Now we want to give JavaScript, so I'm putting JavaScript here only. Script. Now we have got the script closing tag. Now here within these tags I'm declaring variables. Let a equals to 10. I have initialized a with value 10. Let b equals to, I'm giving it 20, and let c equals to, I'm putting this number within double quotes. That means this is not a number, this is a string. Now we can put, or we can display the answers directly in our document as well as on our console. So here we are using console. So I'm saying console dot log. Our first relation operator is greater than sign. So I'm saying a is greater than b. This is going to be the message, and here we are checking whether a is greater than b. If it is true, it is going to give true answer. A is greater than b. Here a is 10, b is 20, so it is going to give false answer. So it has given relational operator here in our document. Right click on it to get the answer on console, and here we can check a is greater than b, false, because a is 10 and b is 20. Similarly, we can check for less than sign. So it is going to give us true answer. So here we have got true. Next is greater than equals to. So here's the answer for greater than equals to. It is showing false. Neither it is greater than nor equals to. Now it is less than equals to. Or it is showing true because it is not equals to, but it is less than b. Now for equals to, here it is going to give us false answer because a is not equals to b. 10 and 20 are not equal. It is given false. And for not equals to, it is going to give us a true answer because a is not equals to b. True answer. Now here I'm putting one more thing. Here we have taken variable c in which we have put number 10 in string form. So here instead of b, here I'm taking c. Now a and c both have 10 values, but it is in the form of string and it is in the form of number. So here if I give equals to c, and here also I'm putting equals to sign, double equals to. Now when we'll save it and check its answer on console, it is showing false. Here we have to change it to C. Save it and refresh it. Now it is showing true answer. Reason for this is it is converting the string to number inside internally. So it is showing true answer. But if we don't want string to be converted to number internally, then we have to give triple equals to. Like here, if I say, if we want to put a strict check, we don't want that string to be converted to number, then here if we put triple equals to, it is not going to convert this string to number, and it is going to give false answer. So it has given false answer.